Welcome to another episode of Real Estate Simplified. I'm your host, April.Bowman, and today we're diving into the crucial topic for all aspiring homeowners: how to pick the perfect buyer's agent. Remember, the right agent is your ally, guiding you through the complex world of real estate. So, what should you ask to ensure you've got the right person on your side? Let's get into it. Today, we're going to talk about the key questions that will help you choose a knowledgeable buyer's agent. A great agent doesn't just help you find a house. They become your negotiator, advisor, and partner throughout the home buying process. First, let's talk negotiation. Different markets and houses call for unique strategies. Ask your potential agent, how do you determine your negotiation strategy? A thoughtful agent will discuss how they tailor their approach, whether it's a buyer's market, a seller's market, or somewhere in between. Next, let's talk about the house showing. A good agent is observant and detail-oriented. Ask them, when showing a house, what are you looking for? They should be evaluating the property's condition, identifying potential problems, and considering how the home aligns with your desires and your needs. Another crucial element is understanding the financials. So inquire, do you go over the appraisal report and closing documents with your clients? Your agent should be willing to go through these key documents, clarifying any questions you have to ensure transparency and understanding. A knowledgeable agent uses their experience and market awareness to shape a negotiation tactic. It's not just a one-size-fits-all approach, but customizing the strategy for each client and each transaction. Watch out for agents with a rigid negotiation approach for all clients. That's a big red flag. Ask for examples. A credible agent will happily share past experiences and demonstrate how they've navigated various market conditions to secure the best deals for their clients. Ready to find that perfect buyer's agent? Equip yourself with these questions and make an informed decision. That's all for now. If you found this information useful, please like, share, and subscribe. We've got plenty more enlightening content coming your way in Real Estate Simplified. Share your experiences down in the comments and let's empower each other to make smart real estate choices. Till next time, stay informed and stay ahead.